Are you the winner of the BLACK+DECKER Power Series Plus Cordless Stick Vacuum from last week's Review to You video? Let's find out. We're Review to You. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. Last week for Women's Wednesday, we reviewed the BLACK+DECKER Power Series Plus Cordless Stick Vacuum and gave it a score of 8 out of 10. So, which lucky subscriber gets to take it home? And the winner of the BLACK+DECKER Power Series Plus Cordless Stick Vacuum is Colton Hobbs. Congratulations, Colton. We're going to get this packaged up and sent out to you ASAP. I know it sucks that you weren't a winner like Colton Hobbs, but maybe it's because you're not subscribed to Review to You. So go ahead and subscribe and then turn on your post notifications so you can be one of the first to enter our product review and giveaways. You know, we do them 3 times every single week. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways. And then hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye now.